You've got questions? Mekmar has the answers. We are answering your top stone FAQs in 60 seconds. Planning an outdoor project? Choosing the right stone is key for safety and durability. For poolside and garden, Travertine is a winner. It's naturally slip-resistant and stays cool under your feet. Sandblasted marble or limestone are great alternatives, though limestone may require more cleaning. For garages in high-traffic zones, go for the strength of basalt, granite or thick marble. Always ensure a thickness of 3 cm or more for outdoor durability.